Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Fat Man Scoop. I just want to talk to you a second about credit. Everybody, at some point or another, has issues with credit. For example, I'm going to take myself. There were things on my credit that I didn't even know about that I had for years, like, a T-Mobile bill that was like $25 that I hadn't paid, and it went on my credit. Little things, with cell phone companies, or a medical bill that I thought I paid, but I didn't pay. It was from the ER or whatever. And it affected my credit. And that's me. And I have a decent amount of money. And my man Joe Tags came in with Better Qualified, and they got it right. So listen, if you want it done right, do the same thing. Rock out with Joe Tags. Rock out with Better Qualified, and make sure you're right.